Hi there, this is Rob from 8791 Networks, and this is part 4 of a affiliate marketing for beginners series which we're doing. And this one is the opt-in and thank you pages. So what we're going to discuss is basically a general overview of the importance of getting an opt-in and having an email autoresponder set up, and we'll also talk about thank you pages. So if you've watched some of my prior videos, you've seen this flow a handful of times. And so where we're at today in this is this section down here. Um, so what is an opt-in? You can, so in my prior examples, I actually put the opt-in as part of the landing page. Sometimes you can do it separately. So an opt-in typically offers some type of extra value above and beyond just going straight to a sales page. To get that offer, the customer must opt in by entering their name and or email address. And then what will happen is this email address will get put into your email marketing software. Now, I use a program called GetResponse, and so I'll show you a bit here how that works between the landing page and the thank you page. Um, and so if the customer chooses not to sign up for the extra offer, make sure you provide a link for them to go straight to the sales page. And so like I mentioned here, this could be captured in your landing page. I've done it both ways. I sort of like to have the opt-in on my landing page. Through my ClickBank links, I'm able to set up tracking IDs for each of the different buttons and links that I do so that I know where the customer is clicking the most, whether it's the button, whether they're signing up for the form. And so I like having them all on the same page. So on my prior example, when we talk about an opt-in, it's a section where there's the form for them to fill out their name and email. And so I went through that in the uh, prior video. So what's the purpose of doing this? The purpose is to actually build a community of people because they're really your most valuable asset. Um, you want them to eventually trust you, follow you, and you can essentially build a couple different types of communities. The first could be your existing network of people you know. Maybe you belong to some forums or have a large social media followings and Facebook groups. Maybe you have your own website with blogs or forums. You could always start there. If you're looking for cold traffic, though, you're going to want to build your future network through these opt-ins. And these are the types of communities that you'll build through that opt-in. So some other tips, you want to make sure that as you're building your landing pages, you want to research your niche a little bit. Um, what are some of the benefits, the challenges of working in there in that niche? You want to give people valuable information, um, and don't steal other people's communities by trying, buying email lists, sending them out. It's an option. I just don't really recommend it. So what's a thank you page? So a thank you page sometimes follows up after someone opts in. They may be taken to an intermediate page where you thank them for um, signing up or getting the ebook, and you sort of funnel them to the next step of the process. Um, so I'll show you what that looks like here. You can sometimes skip this, and in a lot of cases I do. I just take them straight from the opt-in to the sales page. So I'm going to actually, this is an example. I put this in here because I know that you don't have access to my account to take a look at the actual example, but I'll show you this example here in a minute, what it actually looks like in my email marketing software, GetResponse. So once someone signs up for this program, they have the ability to download this report right away and then go straight from there. There's a link to the sales page. The other thing I do on here is I add some additional testimonies or testimonials. These give further credibility and support, essentially bolstering the reason that they added their information to get this free report and to look at this product. So let me go over to GetResponse, and so this is actually the development software I use to build my landing pages. This here is actually the landing page for this product. So if someone lands here, they have the opportunity to learn more. Here's where I tell them what it is they're going to get with the program. And then down here, I give them an option to actually get a free 15-page e-report. And here they can enter their information. Now, when they enter their information in this case, it takes them up here to a thank you page. And so on this page, this is what they see immediately after entering their name and email. They have the ability to download this, and I have this file in a Google Drive, which is shared to the public, so that the people have the ability to download that, and then they can get started. And I believe if I hit preview, it will actually show what the thank you page looks like. And in this case, you can see I actually have another testimonial video that someone can then watch to learn more about the program before they click the button to get started. So again, it just sort of reinforces the notion that they made a good decision to sign up, and also lets them know that, you know, what to expect. So again, here is the landing page. In this case, you can see if I click the button, it will take through my hop link to the actual sales page here. So this is the sales page for this product. So that's a little bit just about this section of the process here, from adding your information, if they sign up or not. You can see these red arrows are the affiliate links back to the sales page. And in our next video, what we're going to talk about is, what do you do with this information now that you've gathered it, this email address? Where does it go? What do we do? So we're going to talk about the email marketing and autoresponder. So again, take a look in the description down below. You can have a link to download this presentation. Please like or subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.